Okay, so now we're going to be doing the file hunter warm-up room. In the previous room, I explained how to connect to the VPN. So you should already know how to do that. If you're using the hacker box too, that's not a problem. So we are going to start the machine. FTP is a protocol used to make file transfers over the internet. This protocol is used to upload or download files from one computer to another computer. It is recommended for practicing the basics of the FTP service. So now, first question, which ports are open? As we know, we just have to perform an nmap scan to determine this. So let's copy the IP address in our terminal. Perform the nmap scan. So that's it, port 21. Alright. What does FTP stand for? That's easy, file transfer protocol. What username did you connect to the FTP? So now there is a default credential for FTP as well, right? So if we open our browser, we can just search for its default FTP credential. You can connect as anonymous actually for FTP. So where you connect as anonymous, if that has been enabled, when you connect as anonymous, you don't need to enter a password. So I can say FTP the CP command that's on. Okay. Okay, so I didn't have the FTP client installed, so I'm now installing it with the command sudo apt install FTP. After doing that, we can now try to connect. So it's asking as user, so I can type anonymous, and you see it was enabled, so I didn't have to log in. So that is the answer to this question. What username did you connect to the FTP? Anonymous, right? Which command shows which commands we can use on the FTP server? That's simple. That's the help command. So this shows all the commands we can use. Okay, so now we can also list. We have something called user list. We can get that. Okay, get user list. Now we've downloaded that. So since we've downloaded that, if I open another terminal, or even if I exit the FTP connection, okay, and I list, you can see the user list. So if I cut user list, I have these details. That means I can probably log in as Jack or something. So let's see. What's the name of the file? User list. What's the command we use to download the file? That's get. And which user's information is in the file? That's the root user and Jack. Just add it. So that is it.